This is a rip-off. I don't like it when people rip me off. Rip off, rip off, rip off, rip off. Rip off has two meanings. One is to cheat someone. Another meaning is to overcharge someone. Like if someone is trying to buy something and you make him pay more than the price, that's called, this is a rip-off. And if someone cheats you, like someone deceived you, that's also called rip-off. Say, I was ripped off at the train station last week. I bought this camera and it was a real rip-off. Rip-off, rip-off, rip-off. See you next time.